Walking up to people and starting a conversation can be hard. But what's even harder is to continue that conversation minute after minute. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about a simple hack called the magnet method, inspired by two Indian party games, which is going to solve this problem once and for all. The real trick to making a conversation go forward is to engage in a back and forth, like a tennis match. Or like that famous Indian party game Antakshari, where someone sings a song and you pick the last syllable of that song and you have to sing a song with that last syllable. So how can we take this principle and apply it in real life conversations? If you want to get updated with little conversation hacks like this, then do subscribe to this channel and let's get going. Look how popular Antakshari is. People sing it in trains, buses, picnics, classrooms, weddings, everywhere. Why is it so popular? It's that popular because it is a substitute for conversation. When you have nothing to say, but you still want to have that conversation in exchange, you can instantly resort to this. Because it mimics natural conversation, the natural back and forth between people. Now, the magnet method that I'm going to talk to you about today to enhance your conversation skills is very similar to the game of Antakshari. In Magnet, you listen to the couple of lines of the song the first person is singing and then pick any word from that song, and the song that you are singing when it's your turn has to have that word. So let's say the first person sings a verse from Summer of 69 by Bryan Adams. The next person can pick any word from these lines. Let's say that person picks the word summer and can sing the next song, like We're All Going on a Summer Holiday by Cliff Richard. There's a line called Fun and Laughter on a Summer Holiday, so the next person can take the word fun and sing Girls Just Wanna Have Fun by Cyndi Lauper, and on it goes. So if you know how to play Magnet, you can apply the exact same principle in your conversations and making those conversations move forward in an interesting way. But there are two ways you can do that. Lateral move of conversation is when somebody is talking about something, you take a word from that conversation and you start a different topic related to that word, but not exactly that word. For example, somebody tells you at a party, hey, how is it going? The food is really good. Now you have two options. You can say, the food is really good. But that closes the conversation, that ends the conversation. What you have to do is make it move forward. So you can apply the magnet method to pick a word from that first line. Let's say you pick the word food. Find something you can associate food with. So you can say, the food is really good, but I gotta watch my diet. Or you can say that, yes, the food is fabulous, but then after that, I have to really spend some extra hours at the gym. So taking a cue from food, you went on to talk about something else. And that is the lateral move of your magnet method. Before I get on to the next point, if you're liking the content, please do like and subscribe. Another way you can apply the magnet method to continue your conversations at parties and social gatherings is to go vertically deep. So let's say somebody says, hey, how is it going? The food is fabulous. Have you tried it? So somebody talks about the food. You can go deeper into the menu. You can say, I especially like this particular item. You can talk about where else that item is available. You can also talk about your go-to restaurant where you can find that exact same food. You can talk about a time you tried making that by yourself. You see, the topic doesn't change. It's still that same exact food item that you started with. You didn't pivot to diet or gymming or what is coming up next after the food. By the way, this is a brand new channel and every subscriber makes so much difference to me. So do like and subscribe to this channel if you're liking the content. And the thing about a new channel is that it's only when you like and subscribe that another person gets to know that this content is worth watching.